small examples are being put before you.
Myntri ka Tnat Tyngka ka Sarkar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman henne kasi kala banjur halor gajing don kam banwanra ya karoi kapar ka Pura hagishnong ki badon hakijaka khaput hapo jongka vibrant village program habakren shakilat pathai kubor hashilong henne kasngi ka Sitharaman kala ong baka vibrant village program ka kham ai jingmentoi shibun ban ya ka border area development program hagini kishnong da ka bakdo ya gajingla banwanra ya karoi kapar hakilyang baro hakishnong ki badon hachaka khaput nadu gajingla ban penyaso hadu gajingla ban penmi yakilat kamai gachi ban kentieu yakapuli puthi bat gajing ai jingarap hakaliang ka koit kakhia.
No, I don't think that's the case at all. Border area funds are continuously on. It's being managed from home and defense together. So Vibrant Village is now a more comprehensive approach towards holistic development of those villages which are on the border. What it does is, as different from a border road or village, the earlier program, is not just develop access of road or telephone connectivity, but this gives livelihood options for the communities which are living there, improving not only connectivity, but as I said, many of the basic indices of education, health, giving people livelihood opportunities and so on. So the Vibrant Village program has now widened the scope of development for those border villages.
Ka Shillong Cantonment